Hi everyone, welcome to Foam Lab Studio. Let's jump into it. Switch to the front view and turn on ortho. Now draw a polyline like this. Next, apply a 40 cm fillet and repeat it once more. Then add a 5 cm fillet and repeat that as well. Now move to the top view and draw an arc with a 40 cm radius. Now switch to the perspective view. Move the arc, make a copy and place it at the bottom of the polyline. After that, use Sweep 1 command. Select the polyline as the rail and the two arcs as the shapes. Then select the curves and delete them. Now offset the surface by 3 cm. Next, fillet the edges by 1 cm and turn on chain edges to select edges easily, and press enter. Repeat the same fillet for opposite side. It's time to create the material. Open the Material tab, create a metal material and assign it to the object. Finally, enjoy the result. And don't forget to subscribe for more.